Hi guys, I don't look the best, but I will soon because I wanted to take you guys along to the OC Fair. Today is the opening day and me, my boyfriend, and some friends are going down there tonight, so I wanted to kind of vlog because that's really exciting that the fair is back. They didn't have it last year for obvious reasons, but I'm so happy that it's back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and then I will update you guys when I look a little bit cuter. So I'm so excited, so follow along if you want to see what we do. And I'm back. Now I look a little bit better. I'm just gonna do a quick outfit before I go. So I'm gonna turn you guys around. Okay, so here's the fit, just very casual. This little shirt, I think I got it from like Fashion Q. I don't know if anyone knows what that is, but I got it from Fashion Q. It's just a cute little teal tank top. My jeans are mom jeans from Zara with the distressing, and then I got my platform Converse. I'm wearing this clear little bag because I don't know what the bag situation is like. I know some places like clear bags, so I'm just bringing that, and then my jacket, and then I have this bag because I'm giving this dress to my friend so that she can get it tailored for me. But yeah, that's the outfit. We are gonna go ahead and go, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Found the Dipping Dots. I haven't had Dipping Dots in a long time. I got cotton candy. I'm drinking a lemonade Bud Light seltzer. This is my first drink. I just had Dippin' Dots, so yeah, we're gonna get some food right now too. But I'm with friends.
Thank you.
Whoa. We just got some food. We got these like fries. They look so good, so we're gonna try them, see if they're any good. Okay.
Hello.
Taste test.
Sure.
Potatoes are like God's gift to earth. Ready? Yeah. Cheers. We got a sangria. It tastes more just like sweet wine.
Yeah. I just got a basic ass Mexican beer.
What do you think?
They're cute.
So we found the llamas. I'm on my second drink. I'm drinking a sangria now. It really just tastes like sweet wine, but they're so cute. They kind of scare me, but I think they're so precious, the llamas. Here's more. I really like their haircuts. I don't know. I'm really into them right now. But there's a bunch. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. You know who likes llamas?
Who?
Your niece.
Oh, Bridget?
No.
Really?
You have two nieces, don't forget.
I know. But Bridget's the only one I can think right now. Oh, talk. They're from Northway. You see that? 951.
Aw, look at them. They're so cute. Oh, they know the camera's on them. They're like, yeah. They love the attention. Hi. Oh, look at those teeth. You're so cute. Aww. I'm about to pet this llama. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited.
Go, go, go. Get on in there, bro.
We
You want a
just met,
picture?
we just met Vlad. He's the nicest, nicest mom.
Sick, watch this shit right here. Look at this, man.
Trying jalapeno poppers. Hot off the grill. So spicy.
Is it spicy?
The second I bit into it.
Shoo!
We're on the Skyliner. Just kidding. We're on the
Sky Ride.
Sky Ride. That's
what it's called.
These things since I was like 8. Look at this workout we're about to endure. Let's go. You ready? Do we just go? Okay.
You wanna wait?
Here we go.
I should say wait for her.
Come on, Maxine.
You got this.
Perfect.
1, 2, 3, go.
Take it, buddy. Oh my God. We are on the last leg of our trip to the fair. He got a Pink's hot dog, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait for him to finish it, but we got a lot of snacks today. We're also coming back next week, him and I, with our other friends, so that should be fun. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because after this we're literally just leaving, so that is it. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of fair content, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time.